In primetime news this evening, tough restrictions could be reimposed. The government warns spike in COVID cases will force it to act. Worried. Medical Association paints grim picture of potential hike in cases with fewer restrictions. And 5 more COVID deaths recorded in the last 24 hours.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, will you be going out for entertainment events given the limited reopening of the sector? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. The Primetime News returns after this break.